Looking for the best kitchen essentials that save time, space, and effort? Today, we're checking out 5 must-have products that will completely upgrade your cooking experience. First up, the Magic Bullet, with over 40 million units sold worldwide. This high-speed blender and mixer can chop, blend, whip, grind, and mince in just 10 seconds or less. From smoothies and milkshakes to soups and frozen cocktails, it's your personal kitchen assistant. Next, for all your meal prep needs, the JoyJolt glass food storage set. With 12 different sizes, these airtight containers are made from borosilicate glass, the same type used in space shuttles. They go from freezer to oven safely, keeping your food fresh, leak-proof, and odor-free. Stack them, store them, and organize your kitchen with ease. Third on the list, the stainless steel mixing bowl set. With 6 sizes ranging from 1 to 7 quarts, these bowls feature airtight lids, 3 handy grater attachments, and non-slip silicone bottoms for mess-free mixing. They nest together for easy storage and are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Durable, space-saving, and versatile, a true kitchen essential. At number 4, the ultimate 34-piece kitchen utensil set. From spatulas to tongs, pasta servers to graters. This set has everything you need to unleash your inner chef. Made with heat-resistant, food-grade silicone and anti-scald wooden handles, these tools won't scratch your cookware or melt under heat. Plus, they come neatly organized with a holder, making them a perfect housewarming or wedding gift. And finally, the HUNTER.DUAL 15-piece knife set. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades, ergonomic handles, and a built-in knife sharpener, this set includes everything from a chef's knife to steak knives. With its rust-resistant black coating, it's designed to last, and yes, it's even dishwasher safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product finds.